Blessed and happy Saturday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters. Today is May 23rd, 2024. In today's Gospel from the account of the Gospel of John chapter 21 verses 20 to 25, I find myself standing with Peter as he turns and notices the beloved disciple following, is curious, perhaps even distracted by comparison, by questions about another's path, question about another's calling. And Jesus' gentle but firm response echoes deeply within me. What concerns is it of yours? You follow me. That's what he told Peter. There is something both freeing and unsettling in those words. I realize how often I measure my own priesthood against others, how they are received, how they are seen, what fruit seems visible in their ministry. Yet, the Lord keeps bringing me back to the simplicity and seriousness of my own priestly calling. That is, to follow Him, not to understand every other path. The beloved disciples' witness, reminds me that every vocation has its own mysterious unfolding, has its own mysterious timing, its own way of pointing to Christ, and not all of it can be contained in a books or records, as John himself says. Even the world could not contain all that Jesus did, which tells me that God is always working beyond my interpretations, beyond my need for clarity and control. So today, I am invited to have peace. Not the peace of having answers about others, but the deeper peace of fidelity. You follow me, Father Jack. In that invitation, I am reminded that my life is not meant to be a comparison, but a communion. Not a competition, but a calling. A precious vocation to follow the Lord. Let me conclude today's reflection with 3 C's. C, C, C. The first C is calling. Jesus reminds us that discipleship is personal. You follow me. Our focus is faithfulness to our own vocation, because the heart of discipleship is not comparison, but obedience. The second C, comparison. Peter is corrected for comparing his path with another's. True and real peace comes when we stop measuring our journey against others, right? In this passage, Jesus gently breaks the cycle of rivalry and insecurity, teaching that the value of disciple is not in sameness, but in faithfulness to one's own mission. And the final C, continuation. God's work continues beyond human understanding. We are all invited and called to witness faithfully, trusting that His plan unfolds in His own time and in His ways. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed. By the way, the gist of today's gospel is stop complaining and stop comparing. Just follow the Lord.